Hello and welcome to Jobs and Education. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole. Let me continue the series of thermodynamics for recent examination in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh state. Let's get started. The first question reads, the thermodynamic process occurring at constant volume is called. Basically, thermodynamic processes are very important, especially non-flow processes are very important. So this video covering with different non-flow processes. So this question reads, the thermodynamic process occurring at constant volume is called. That is nothing but isochoric. Constant volume process is also called as isochoric process. Moving on to the second question. In constant volume thermodynamic process, work done is. When volume is constant, so in the thermodynamic process, what work done will become? So it is 0. Work done is 0 because of volume is constant. Next question reads, in reversible polytropic thermodynamic process, so what happens? In reversible polytropic thermodynamic process, so true heat transfer occurs. When reversible polytropic process is there, heat transfer occurs. Next question reads, the end point of phase equilibrium curve of thermodynamic system is called. The end point of phase equilibrium curve of thermodynamic system is called. That is a critical point. End point is critical point. Next question reads, non-flow energy equation NFEE for reversible process is. So this is very important. Q minus W equals to delta U, that is nothing but dq equals to du plus pdv. Pdv is nothing but work done. Next question reads, the specific heat capacity of water in joules per kg degree centigrade. The specific heat capacity of water, that is 4185 joules per kg degree Celsius, 4185. Next question reads, for a perfect gas, internal energy in an isothermal process. For a perfect gas, internal energy in an isothermal process. So that is always constant. Internal energy is constant in isothermal process because of temperature is constant. So when temperature is constant, automatically internal energy will become constant. Next question reads, the SI unit of force is. The SI unit of force is. So take this question as challenge. So after reading this question, understand the following options and choose the correct answer and answer this question in the comment section below. Take this as challenge and answer this question in the comment section below. Next question reads, in polytropic compression process, work done is. In polytropic compression process, work done is. That is always positive. Next question reads, thermodynamic throttling is. Throttling process is very important. So thermodynamic throttling is an irreversible process. It is an irreversible process. Next question reads, in free expansion, boundary of the system will become what? In free expansion, boundary of system does not move. In free expansion, boundary of system does not move. Next question reads, in constant volume or pressure thermodynamic process, initial state is chosen as. In constant volume process or in constant pressure process, initial state is chosen as a wet region. Wet region. Next question reads, in polytropic process, when polytropic index n is equal to infinity, then process is. When polytropic index n is equals to infinity, then the process is called as constant volume process. Clear? When n is equals to infinity, that is constant volume process. Next question reads, process in which entropy remains constant is called. Entropy remains constant means that is adiabatic process. Next question reads, The process during which temperature remains constant is called, temperature remains constant means it's a constant temperature process or isothermal process. Next question reads, the process of thermodynamic throttling can be used to find, the process of thermodynamic throttling can be used to find, it is used to find out the dryness fraction. Next question reads, standard atmospheric pressure is equal to, standard atmospheric pressure is equals to, that is 1.01325 bar. This is very important and very basic question for every mechanical engineering student. Next question reads, the value of the universal gas constant in kilojoules per kilo mole Kelvin is, universal gas constant, that is R, so its value is 8.314 kilojoules per kilomole Kelvin. Next question reads, in polytropic process when polytropic index n is equal to 1, just now we seen a question that n is equals to infinity, that is constant volume process. Now n is equals to 1 unity, one number, so then the process is called as isothermal compression. When n equals to 1, that is isothermal compression. We have a equation that is PV per n equals to constant for polytropic process. If that n is becoming infinity, that is constant volume. If that n is becoming 1, it is isothermal compression. Next question reads, for any irreversible process the net entropy changes, for any irreversible process the net entropy change is, that is always positive. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole.